Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English with us. I'm Harry. Today we'll learn 100 daily life English sentences that you can use every single day. Let's begin. 1 or 10. Greetings. Hello. Say when you meet someone. Hi. Use with friends. Good morning. Before noon. Good afternoon. After lunch. Good evening. In the evening. How are you? Ask about someone's feeling. I'm fine, thank you. Polite reply. What's your name? Ask someone's name. My name is Harry. Introduce yourself. Nice to meet you. Be polite after meeting. 11:20. Small talk. How are you feeling today? Ask about health. I'm feeling good. Say when happy. I'm tired. After hard work. What are you doing? Ask activity. I'm studying English. Answer naturally. Where are you from? Ask place. I'm from Pakistan. Reply. Do you like music? Ask interest. Yes, I love it. Positive reply. No, I don't like it. Negative reply. 21:30. Asking for help. Can you help me? Ask politely. I don't understand. Say when confused. Can you repeat, please? Ask again. Could you speak slowly? Ask for slower speech. What does this mean? Ask meaning. How do you say this in English? Ask translation. Can you write it down? Ask to write. Excuse me, where is the bathroom? Polite question. Thank you for your help. Show gratitude. 31:40. Shopping and eating. How much is this? Ask price. It's too expensive. Complain politely. Can I get a discount? Ask for less price. I'd like to buy this. Confirm purchase. Can I have water, please? Ask politely. I'm hungry. Express need for food. I'm thirsty. Express need for drink. The food is delicious. Give compliment. 41:50. Travel and directions. Where's the bus stop? Ask direction. Turn left. Turn right. Go straight. Simple direction phrases. Is it near or far? Ask distance. I want to go to the airport. State destination. I'm lost. Say when you don't know the way. 51:D. Daily routine. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I study English. I watch TV. I go to bed at 10 p.m. U70. Feelings. I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm angry. I'm scared. I'm excited. I'm bored. I'm tired. I'm sick. 71:80. Time and weather. What time is it? Ask time. It's 5 o'clock. Answer time. What day is today? Ask day. It's Monday. Reply. It's sunny. It's raining. It's cold. It's hot. Talk about weather. Monday requests. Can I borrow your pen? Can I open the window? Please close the door. Can you help me with homework? Please wait for me. Let's go together. Can I join you? Please be quiet. Ippuntiater saying goodbye. Goodbye. Bye. See you later. See you tomorrow. Take care. Have a nice day. Good night. Talk to you soon. It was nice talking to you, Harry. Well done. You just learned 100 useful English sentences for daily life. Practice them every day, and you'll speak English easily and confidently. Thanks for watching Learn English with us. See you soon.